example of maybe a multi-step problem. The first thing we're going to do is we're going to go through the problem, and any minus sign we're going to change to a plus a negative, or change it to add op. So I'm going to keep negative 3x the same, plus 7x. I'm going to change this minus 8 into plus a negative 8. The reason why we do this is so that we can move numbers around by the commutative property of addition. If you don't do that, you can't really move numbers around. Next thing I'm going to do is collect your like terms on any side of the problem where you see terms you can collect. On this side I can collect a negative 3x and a 7x. I also can add together a negative 8 and a positive 16. Negative 3x plus 7x gives you a positive 4x. A negative 8 and a positive 16 gives you plus 8, or positive 8. It's still equal to 2x plus 5. And we're getting closer to that two-step problem that we want. What we need to do now is get all of our variables on the same side. So I'm going to move 2x to the other side. And the way you do that is by adding or subtracting. Since it's a positive 2x, I'm going to subtract 2x away from both sides. That will get rid of the positive 2x. That cancels out with that. 4x plus a negative 2x would be 2x, or 4x minus 2x. Still got that plus 8, and now we have it all equal to 5, because the 5 just comes down. Now we have a two-step algebra equation. We're going to solve this by undoing our addition subtraction first. So we're going to subtract 8 away from both sides. When we do that, this cancels out. We're left with 2x on the left-hand side, and 5 minus 8 would be the same thing as 5 plus a negative 8, which would give us negative 3. And when we're down to our last step, you have 2x equals negative 3. This is multiplication. In order to solve, we're going to divide both sides by 2. When you do that, that cancels out. We get x equals negative 3 halves. We're going to treat that like an improper fraction. Change it into a mixed number. 2 goes into negative 3 one time, so we have negative 1. We have 1 left over, so it's negative 1 and 1/2. So x would equal negative 1 and 1/2. That's algebra.